Welcome back. Now, as of the recording of this video, Microsoft Designer is free to use. However, it is in preview mode. And so what that means is that it's important to read the terms of use before you begin to use it in any specific way. If you click on terms of use as of the recording of this session, one of the things that you're going to note is that you're agreeing that you're going to be using Designer for personal use only and not for the use in the course of trade or commerce. And this statement was generated as of December 1st, 2023. So depending on how you intend to use Microsoft Designer and the artificial intelligence in it, you will want to watch the terms of service and when they change. It's very likely that Microsoft Designer will eventually become a paid application and come out of preview mode. When that is the case, then it's quite possible that Microsoft Designer will be available then for use with your business. But for now, you may want to keep track of how to use it and watch for the case when it is available for business use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.